Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for November 10th, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is pizza. Pizza Mouse by Michael Garland. No one likes mice. Dogs don't like mice. Cats don't like mice. I am a mouse, so what? I live in the city. I look for food. Thanks for the roll. I love a big mess. Look out for the man. Look out for cars. Look out for the bird. I can hide in the box. What is in here? Pizza! I will take the subway home. I take the A train. Let me out. Home. Daddy! The end. We're going to make a folded heart mouse, and what you'll need is your craft to go kit, which includes a little heart with a mouse face, and 2 ears. And then you'll also need a glue stick or glue, and then crayons, markers, or coloring pencils. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to color the parts of the mouse. I've decided to make mine purple and pink with blue eyes. I'm going to put the blue eyes in first so I can color more wildly. So I'm going to color the heart. Now it's all colored in. And I'm going to color the ears. And then we'll fold it and glue it together. Okay, now that all the parts are colored, we're going to go ahead and fold the heart in half along the dotted line. You can see the dotted line here. And it might not match up perfectly because I cut these out and I'm not perfect. So you can see it'll stand up. Then we just have to glue the ears on back here. So I'm just going to put a little glue here. Glue one ear. Flip it over. Put a little glue there. And that's 2 ears. You don't want them to stick together too much. But when you stand it up, you have a little rocking heart mouse there. And that's all there is to it.